How are you all? Today in this class, we are going to study a lesson flying plane. Okay, the topic of the lesson is flying plane. Okay, now let us see who are all the characters involved in this story. Okay, the first character is Dr. Flynn, cowboy, doctor, friends of Flynn, people of England. Okay, repeat after me. Dr. Flynn, cowboy, doctor, friends of Flynn, people of England. Okay, next we will read the hard words. Okay, clergyman, priest or minister of the church. So who is called as the clergyman? Clergyman means the priest, okay, or the minister of the church. Rounding up, gathering together. The meaning of rounding up is gathering together. Okay, clergyman, priest or minister of the church. Clergyman, priest or minister of the church. Rounding up, gathering together. Rounding up means gathering together. Okay, now let us see the story. Okay, students, I have written the lesson in short form. Okay, shall we read? In Australia, the middle part of the England is a desert. Few people live there and many kilometers between houses. People who are ill won't get doctor. Difficult to get help. Many died. A clergyman called Dr. Flynn lived there. He got an idea to build a hospital. He needed money, but the people didn't help him. Can you read the first sentence? In Australia, the middle part of the England is a desert. So, what is Australia? Australia is a country. Okay, so the middle part of the Australia is called as the England. Okay. The middle part of Australia is called as the England. So in the England, it is a desert. Okay, England is a desert. What is meant by desert? So desert is an area that is covered with full of sand. So the England is a desert that has been located in Australia. Few people live there. So in that England, in the desert, no more people live. Okay. So some of the few people live there in the England desert, and many kilometers between houses. So the houses won't be next to each other. So for each houses there are many kilometers. So the houses are not next to each other. So there are many space between each houses. So there are kilometer space between each houses. People who are ill won't get doctor. So the people who lives in the England won't get doctor when they are ill. Okay, so they suffer from many diseases like cold, fever, okay, jaundice. So at that time they won't able to go to the hospital because they live in the desert, and it will be very difficult for them to get doctor. Many died. So because of this situation, because of no hospital, because of no doctor, some people will die. A clergyman called Dr. Flynn lived there. So clergyman. So we have already seen the meaning. Clergyman is a priest or the minister of the church. Okay, so clergyman called Dr. Flynn. So the name of the clergyman is Dr. Flynn. Lived there. So he is living in the desert England. Okay, he got an idea to build hospital. So this Dr. Flynn is seeing the people that how they are suffering a lot in the desert because they fall ill and they won't unable to get the doctor. So he is getting an idea to build an hospital so that it will be very easy for the people to get cured. He needed money, but the people didn't help him. Okay, to build a hospital, what we need? We need first money. So he's not having enough money to build a hospital. So he is seeking help to the people who live in the desert England. Okay, but the people doesn't have money to help Dr. Flynn. Shall we read the paragraph once again? In Australia, the middle part of the England is a desert. Few people live there and many kilometers between houses. People who are ill won't get doctor. Difficult to get help. Many died. A clergyman called Dr. Phil lived there. He got an idea to build hospital. He needed money, but the people did not help him. Okay. One day, a cowboy got hurt. They took him to the town. There was no proper road. At last found a doctor, not a real doctor, operated using penknife razor. The condition became worse. One day a cowboy got hurt. So who got hurt? A cowboy. Okay, a boy who is basically a cow is known as the cowboy. Okay, so he got hurt one day. So what happened? He took him to the town. So there is no facility in the desert to go to the hospital. So the people who live in the inland are planning to take the cowboy to the town so that he can able to get cured. So there was no proper road. Okay, his condition is getting very worse. Okay, and the roads are not proper. At last found a doctor. So what happened? They went to the town, taking the cowboy, and they found a doctor. But the doctor was not real. He's a fake doctor. Okay, not a real doctor. Operated using penknife razor. The condition became worse. So they are going to meet the fake doctor. So what he is doing? He is operating with the penknife and razor. Have you ever heard the doctor operates using penknife and razor? So he's a fake doctor. So he has been using penknife and razor to operate. Okay. So on that this condition becomes very bad. Okay. Operating with the penknife and razor, the boy's condition became very worse. One day a cowboy got hurt. They took him to the town. There was no proper road. At last found a doctor, not a real doctor, operated using penknife razor. The condition became worse. The real doctor came from all the struggles and finally the boy was dead. At last the hospital was built. Next they planned to arrange aeroplane and made an idea to have a wireless set in each house to send message and receive message. They tried to make by themselves. At last Dr. Flynn got the aeroplane, the flying ambulance. Seems to be like normal ambulance. So what happened? The real doctor came from all the struggles and finally the boy was dead. So after that they approached the real doctor. Okay. So the doctor from the town can't able to come to the desert. Okay, because the roads are not proper. Okay. At last the hospital. So after the doctor comes to the inland, what happened? The cowboy was dead. He is no more. He is not alive. He is dead. At last the hospital was built. So after that what happened? Dr. Flynn struggled very hard and he collected money from the people. He convinced many people to build the hospital. So at last they built the hospital. Next they plan to arrange aeroplane. So they have built the hospital. So for the doctors it would be very difficult for them to come to the desert. So what happened? They planned to arrange aeroplane. So because of the aeroplane they can easily come from the town to the desert. Okay? So they are planning to arrange the aeroplane. And made an idea to have a wireless set in each house to send and receive messages. So what happened? They are making a wireless set. Okay, so through this wireless set, they can send and receive messages. The people who are in the desert will send messages to the hospital who are there in the town. So they will come easily to the desert. Okay. So this wireless set will be very useful for them to send and receive messages. They tried to make by themselves. At last Dr. Phil bought the aeroplane, the flying ambulance. So they are trying to make the wireless set. Okay. They are struggling very hard to make the wireless set. Before that, the Dr. Phil, okay, Dr. Phil bought an aeroplane. So he is buying a new aeroplane, the flying ambulance. So this aeroplane is known as the flying ambulance. This story seems to be like normal ambulance. So this flying ambulance seems to be normal ambulance. There is a bed and there is a space for a doctor to give treatment. Okay. The real doctor prayed from all the struggles and finally the boy was dead. At last the hospital was built. Next they planned to arrange aeroplane and made an idea to have a wireless set in each house to send and receive messages. They tried to make by themselves. At last Dr. Phil got the aeroplane. The flying ambulance seems to be like normal ambulance. Now there are 5 doctors in hospitals all over the inland of Australia. The man, Dr. John Flynn, is called as the Flying Flynn. So what happened at last? This prince, Dr. Flynn's prince, succeeded in making the wireless set. Okay. Now these are the there are 5 doctors in hospitals all over the inland of Australia. So what happened at last? So in the place of inland, there are many doctors and the hospitals. So 5 doctors and hospitals in inland of Australia. The man, Dr. John Flynn, is called as the Flying Flynn. So this John Flynn is named as the Flying Flynn. Have you understood the story, children? Now let us read the book. Okay. In page number 63. Australia is a large country. They call the middle part of it the inland. This inland is a desert. Okay, so the middle part of the inland is called as the desert. Few people live there and there are many kilometers between the houses. A few years ago, if anything happened to any man, it was very difficult for him to get help. So the people who live in the inland won't get help because they live in the desert. Many of them did not get better. They died. Nowadays, men living there can get help much more easily. In Australia, there lived a clergyman called Dr. Philip. So we have seen there is a clergyman living in the inland. Okay, his name is Dr. Philip. One day, an idea struck him. We must put some hospitals in the inland, he said. Then sick people can be helped quickly. But he needed money to build hospital. As he asked people to give him, alas, they would not give him money. So the people who live in the inland are very poor. Okay, so they are not able to offer money to Dr. Philip to build the hospital. Then something happened. One day a cowboy fell from his horse when he was rounding up cattle and he was badly hurt. So we have seen that a cowboy was hurted, okay, while grazing the cattle. We will take you to the town, said his friends. So his friends are saying that don't worry, we will take care of you. We will take you to the town. A man who lives there will help you. Now the town was a long way off, so they put him on the cart and set off for the town. So they are arranging the cart. Okay, so to the cart they are planning to take the cowboy to the town. There was no proper road, so the road was not proper. How the cart bumped. The injured cowboy nearly cried out in pain, but the driver would not stop. So the boy got hurt and he cried because the road is not proper. Okay, but the driver did not stop the cart. At last they reached the town and found the man who could help them. He was not a real doctor, so after going to the town, they met a person. Okay, so they thought that the man would help them, but he's not a real doctor. He had to use a penknife and razor to operate for that all he had, but he did his best. So he is having the things like penknife and razor to operate, but he could not succeed in his work. To begin with, he did manage to help the cowboy, but then his condition of the boy became worse. So what happened? He managed to treat the cowboy, but he could not yet succeed. So the condition of the boy became very worse because of using the penknife and razor. His friends realized that only a real doctor could help the cowboy, so they sent for one. So after that, the cowboys' friends are planning to be the real doctor, but it was very difficult for them to bring the doctor to the inland. The doctor was far away at this time, but he said, I will come at once. So after contacting the doctor, he said that don't worry, I will definitely come to the place where the boy is. So he went on board the ship and sailed for 6 days. So after 6 days he is coming, then he landed and got into a big car. So after landing from the ship, he is coming in a car. He drove it for a long time, but one day it broke down too and he had to find one another. So the car got broke down, so he is getting another car. For 6 more days he drove his second car to the desert. So it got another 6 more days to reach the desert. So he is coming on the second car. That too broke down. So that car also got break down. But still the doctor had farther to go. How can I get on? He asked. There are no cars here. Take my horse. Send someone. So he is seeking help to someone. Okay, so I I want to go to the desert because the boy is suffering. He is waiting for me for my arrival. So I have to go to the desert. So someone, the stranger has told that I have a horse. You can take my horse to the desert. So the doctor rode on in the night until at last he came to the cowboy. So he is coming during the night time and he reached the desert. Alas, when he reached, the cowboy was dead. The doctor was too late. But what happened before he reached? The cowboy was not alive. He is dead because it became too late. Dr. Phil told people about this. All sick men will die like the cowboy at this hospital doctor did the. So what happened was, so Dr. Phil is going to the people and he is saying that if you don't build hospital, many people who live in this desert will die one by one due to illness. The people now saw that Dr. Phil was right and they began to give him money. So after this, they started to think and they came to a conclusion that they are ready to give money to Dr. Phil to build the hospital. We must send doctors to the inland, they say, and they are also saying that we need doctors. So doctors has to come to the inland. We do not want more sick people to die like a cowboy. And they also say that so no more people should die in the inland. So they gave Dr. Phil money and within hospitals were built in the inland. So after that, they built a new hospital in inland. Now things are much better for sick people that they had been, but Dr. Phil wanted something more. We have hospitals, he said, but sometimes it takes sick people too long to reach them. So after building hospital, Dr. Phil is thinking that, so we have hospitals, but the people are sick, how the doctors will come to our desert? How our people will get cured? A man who is very ill may die before he reaches the hospital. So he is thinking that, so before going to the hospital, it's becoming too late. So the sick people will become to die. We must have quicker help for a sick than so he is thinking of another idea. There was only one quicker way, that was the aeroplane. We must have aeroplanes so the doctor can fly to six people as his messages are sent out. Say Dr. Phil. So he is planning to make an aeroplane. Okay, so that the doctors can come to the desert soon. Yes, said someone, that is a good idea, but how can we send messages? How is that to be done? And the people are saying that yes, you are telling a good idea, but how we can send messages to the doctor? So the doctors doesn't know that the people are sick in the desert. So how we can send messages to the doctors? I know, said Dr. Phil. We must have a wireless set in each house that can send messages and receive messages there too. So he also said that yes, I'm too thinking. So for that case, we can have a wireless set in each house. Through that we can able to send and receive messages. So if the person who is in our family is sick, we have to send messages to them. The doctor will receive the messages and they will come to the aeroplane. This was a good idea, but it was not easy to carry out for wireless sets that questions and research and visit them cost a lot of money. So to get a wireless set, it will take a lot of cost. So we don't have enough money to buy the wireless set. But Dr. Philip would not give up. Dr. Philip is not ready to give up this plan. So he also knows that the wireless set will cost high. We must find out how to make cheap little wireless sets, he said. Then we can put up one in each house. So his friends made a little wireless set for him and tried it out. So they are planning to make the wireless set by themselves. They are not ready to buy with the money they have. Alas, it was not good. It would not work at all. They had to make another. So they are making a wireless set, but it doesn't work. But they are trying more and more. They didn't give up. While this was going on, Dr. Phil bought his first aeroplane. The people found a new name for his doctors. So then what happened? Dr. Phil bought a new aeroplane. The people found a new name for his doctors. They called him flying doctors. So the people who are living in the inland, called Flynn as a flying doctor because he has got a new aeroplane. They had a name for the aeroplane too. It is the flying ambulance. So they gave the name of the ambulance as flying ambulance. The people said, and they were quite right. It had been intended for six people and a place for the doctor, just like an ordinary ambulance. So that the flying ambulance seems to be like a normal ambulance because it has a bed and a place for a doctor to sit. If one day we can get 5 more flying doctors and aeroplanes, we shall be alright. Then Dr. Flynn. But he had forgotten about the virus. So after that, Dr. Flynn is planning to get 4 more aeroplanes and 4 more doctors. So they have a doctor and 1 aeroplane, but he's planning to get 4 more aeroplanes and 4 more doctors. By this time, he has forgotten the wireless set. So through this wireless set, one day they can send and receive messages, but he has forgotten the wireless set. He is thinking one day about the doctors and the aeroplane. He had forgotten that unless his friends made a wireless set that worked, no doctor could use the aeroplanes. Without wireless sets, there would be no way of calling the doctors. So after that, what happened? So Dr. Flynn's friends made the wireless set. So they succeeded in making them. And he also says that without the wireless set, they won't do anything. So the doctor won't come to the inland. So his friends made a new wireless set. Will it work? Asked Dr. Flynn. So the friends are coming to Dr. Flynn and they are saying that they have made the wireless set. So Dr. Flynn is asking, will it work? He took it with him into the desert to try it out and sat on the sand. Then what happened? They are taking the wireless set to the desert and they are sitting in the sand. Okay? So the desert will be full of sand. Okay? So they are sitting in the sand. They sent out a message on this wireless set. So what happened next? So Dr. Flynn is trying to send messages to the doctor through the wireless set. I wonder if anyone will hear this, he said. So he says that I will be very happy if someone listens this message. He listened and after a little while he heard a reply. So after a while what happened is hearing a voice. This new wireless set really did work. How glad he was. So he says that this wireless set is working. I'm very happy. Now I will put the wireless set like this in every house in the inland visit. So after that he is saying that so this wireless set is ready. So I am going to keep this wireless set in each house in the inland. Then when sick people need help, they can ask for it. So the people are sick, they can use the wireless set to send messages to the doctor. And that is just what he did. Nowadays, if a child on the island is taken ill, the mother sends out a message on her wireless set. So what happens? So in every house, in each and every house, they have wireless set. So if a child is sick in a house, what happens? The mother will send messages to the wireless set. So a doctor is flying to her house. So after receiving the message, the doctor from the hospital arrives using the aeroplane to the inland. Looking for the place she has marked out for him to inland. So they have marked a place. Okay, so that will be the landmark for the doctors to land. So through the landmark, the doctors will land using the aeroplane. If it is dark, she makes a fire on the ground to mark the place. So on the daytime they will mark in a place, but if it is at night time, they will fire. They will fire using the woods for the landmark. If it is daytime, she puts sheets on the ground. So they will also use sheets as a mark. She does this so the doctor will know just where to go. Nowadays, there are flying doctors and hospitals all over the inland of Australia, so that no one living there is afraid anymore. So there are many flying doctors and many flying aeroplanes in the inland of Australia. So by this, the people are feeling very safe and secure. Whenever they got on the wireless set, one of the flying doctors comes at once. So when they are in struggle, what happens? They will send messages to the wireless set and immediately the doctor from the town will come using the aeroplane. And the man who started all this was Dr. John Flynn, no wonder they called him the Flying Man. So the people in the England calls the Dr. John Flynn as the Flying Man. Have you all understood this lesson, children? Okay, students. This is your home assignment. Write the synonyms, antonyms, past tense in your classwork note. Write the synonyms, antonyms, past tense in your classwork note. Hope you all enjoyed this class. See you in the next class. Thank you.